Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 6, 2025, Friday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Biyernes, mas maaga ang karera, 3 p.m. alas 3 ng hapon. Meron tayong 7 races, only race 1 lang ang 1,400. Yung race 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at 7 ay mas maikling 1,200 meter distance. Patuloy, Summer Racing Festival, no bearing races at siyempre no effect hanggang June 8 po. Kahapon, race 5. Nanalo po yung ating first choice na winning shot, pero ang ating pong Cool Talks ay yung almost there, almost andun na, mananalo na yung ating pong second choice na Bright Mind. Kung pwede lang, yung bang tipong doon sa TV monitor ay bubuhatin natin para mapunta na roon sa finish line. Dahil po nagdadatingan na po yung mga galing sa likod. Kasama na yung winner na first choice nating winning shot. Pero yun po, pang-apat lang si Bright Mind. Kaya yung forecast, montik lang. Yung ating pong cool choice o cool choices, 1-8 ay almost lang. Ngayon, araw ng Biyernes, umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Sa race number 1, umpisa ng winner take all, covers races 1 to 7, isang 3-year-old and above maiden race, placers. Puno po yung gate, full gate po ito, 14 entries. At meron itong Pentapecta at Super 6 event. First choice, number 3, High Maintenance. Second choice, number 1, Royal Salute. At third choice, number 13, Sir Aladdin. Tumako tayo sa race 2. Umpisa ng pick 6, cover races 2 to 7. First choice, for a surprise win, number 4, Live Like an Angel. Second choice, number 2, Step Bell. Third choice, number 1, Rule the World. Dumako tayo sa race number 3. Pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. First choice, number 6, Grand Laughter. Second choice, number 2, Karing Melody. Ngayon sa race number 4. Pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. First choice, number 2, Winsome Maxine. Second choice, number 5, Princess Belle. Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa race number 5. First and only choice, number 4, Malibo Belle. Race 6. Penultimate race, race na may Pentapecta. First choice, number 5, Golden Jaraywa. Second choice, number 8, Shepcat. Third choice, number 1, High Quality. Last race, race 7, Paratingan. Race na may Super 6. First choice, number 8, Service Deluxe. Second choice, number 5, Feel the Burn. Third choice, number 3, Super Tasiana. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!